So, the Rev-Tech Phantom. Your mod here, it's a pretty big mod as well. You've also got the tank because it is a kit. The Rev-Tech Phantom. Well, this fellow is a dual top filler like that with a little rubber seal there. When you push your bottle through the rubber seal, mesh coil head. It's where the market is basically going now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, by the way, it vibrates. What is essentially the graphics of the screen? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that is good though. And I have noticed as well, this is...